now is to decide where I want it to go. It's quite possible that we can I can put it in different units, different chapters. I'm going to go ahead and just choose my chapter 8, and I'll go ahead and put it in under, I don't know, maybe I should well, we'll just put it under a review doc just for the heck of it. So I should go to author mode now so that I can add things in. Computer seems slow today. There we go. So here we are. I'm going to give myself a little space and then hit this add a link button. And this is the way you add lots of different items to eCollege, right? You can add PowerPoint presentations, or you can add JPEG files, images, and of course this is the way we'll also add this movie if it ever loads completely. Don't you love it? There it is. Good. So we could do an image, a website, course tools, or course content, but we're going to do a file here, so we're going to do continue. The only real trick is that, well, let's see, put in a title, so we'll call Spanish class, and then I'm going to browse and find it. So remember, look, it took me right there, which is nice, but if it didn't, I would just simply find it, you know, down through here, going to my documents and then my videos. So there's the Spanish class. Open it up, and now it's ready to go. The only trick is I have to choose streaming media as my source, and then I simply, or as my folder for the content, right? My folder for the content is streaming media, and then I add the link. What this will come up as is, just like a text is linked in, now this video is linked in. So of course always hit save with eCollege. If not, you lose everything, or you lose what the work you just did. And then if I want to check it out and see what it looks like, I'll go back to the course view, which is the student view. And when I click on Spanish class, it should pop up the video for my class. And this is what I wanted my students to see. And there it is, which is nice. Good. So if you want to do things that way, then you're done. If you'd like to see how to do it through YouTube, you can keep watching. And it's really not a very complicated process. I'm going to open up another tab in my Internet Explorer. I'm going to go to YouTube, www.youtube.com. Oops, there it is. The trick here is, of course, I have to have a YouTube account, or really, for me, it's a Gmail account. You'll notice that I'm already signed in here as El Profe Lam. But if I weren't, let's go ahead and sign out so you can see the process. It asks me about creating an account. So I would go sign up and then create an account, right? You create your own YouTube account. If I already have a Gmail account, I can use Gmail as a way of logging in. So you sign up with your Gmail account. I'm going to do it that way because it's easier for me to remember. There we go, and sign in. It remembers me, which is kind of nice. So now I want to go to the place where my accounts are, where the things I have are located. So I use my El Profe Lam spot. And here it is where it says start broadcasting yourself. So I can upload interesting videos, as it says. And I can put a title. Of course, the trick here is, let's call it Spanish Class 2. Give a little descriptor. And I can choose a category. Education would be great, and a couple of tags. Maybe classroom. If I want to make this public for everyone and their brother to take a peek at, I make it public. If I want to just make it private, then I do private, and I can add contacts to people who I want to watch it. So then here's this. I can also choose this option for date and place where it was filmed. Maybe if you're filming something on the road, I can do it that way. And then the sharing options, and there's quite a few of them. Things like allowing comments or voting or ratings and all of that. And the thing we want to make sure is selected is this embedding feature. So I'm going to upload the video now. So now I'm going to browse for the video. There it is. Open, and then upload the video. It takes a little time for it to do its business. That was pretty quick. This is the key of what I want here, is this embed code. So I'm going to copy it, right? And now I go back to my Solano Online site, go back to the authoring codes, the authoring side of things, and I like to click down here at the bottom to see the HTML. Not that I know what it means or what it's all about, but it just gives me a place of reference to make sure I'm putting things in the right spot. And then I insert that embed code. And again, I'm going to save the changes. And we'll see that even though the video isn't there yet, it takes a while for YouTube to do its business, but it will be there. And then save changes, which I think I already did, but it never hurts to save too many times. Go back to course, and my video will be right here. Okay. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call. My number is extension 4598. This is Jeff Lamb, and or come by and visit me at the Teaching and Learning Center. Okay. Take care.